Dear children, in this video we are going to see class 4 maths model question paper for midterm examination. Let us see the answers for the questions given in the model question paper. First, knowledge, very short answers. Select the correct option. A brick has dash faces. A brick has 6 faces. Brick, it has 6 faces. Which view of this cube has circle on its face? You can see the circle on its face at the top view. So the answer is top view. Write the number name 5 ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakhs. 5 lakhs, 6,425. So here the option is 5 lakh, 6,425. Write the place value of the underlined digit. Which digit they have underlined? 2. So ones, tens, hundreds, 1000. 2 is in 1000 place. So how many? 2000. The answer is 2000. Which of the following will make more than 1 hour? So first one, if you are adding 15 minutes, it will be only 45 minutes. It is less than 1 hour. But when you add 22 minutes and 55 minutes, it will be 77 minutes. It is more than 1 hour. So the answer is 22 minutes and 55 minutes. Write in 24-hour clock time, 5 p.m. That is actually evening. So to convert into 24-hour clock, 5 is to be added with 12. So 5 plus 12, 17 hours. In 24-hour clock, it will show 17 hours. So that is the answer. Answer the following. The standard unit of length is meter. Okay. 2 meter and 15 centimeter. 2 meter, 200 centimeter. And 15 centimeter you can add. So 215 centimeter. We know that 1 meter, 100 centimeter. So the answer is 215 centimeter. 4 into 500. Just to multiply 4 5s are 20. Then add this 20. So you will be getting 2000 meter. 1 kilometer, 1000 meter. Very short answer. Which unit would you use for measuring the length of a river? You can use a kilometer for measuring the length of a river. Write the time shown by the clock in the morning. Now you can see the hour hand and minute hand. Minute hand is in 3, hour hand is in 7. So the time is 7:15 a.m. because it is given morning. Write the number in expanded form. How we can expand this one? 4000 plus 500 plus 2. Write the given number in descending order. Descending order means greater number to smaller number. So among these 4 number, 7000 is we have to write the first. Then 6000 you can write 6744, 5609 and 5530. This is actually descending order. What is the number which is exactly in the middle between 200 and 300? 200, 201, 203 up to 300. What number will come in the middle? Actually 250 will come in the middle. 13 multiplied by 5, the answer is 65. If you multiply 130 into 50, 13 5s are you know very well, answer is given 65. So what you have to do, put this 20 with the answer. So 6500 will be the answer. 3 are different kinds of boat. Each boat has different ticket price and also different trip duration. Name of the boat, ticket, duration. Now you can see question. Which boat ticket price is maximum? You can see the maximum. Which number is maximum number? This is 40. Actually it is a double decker. So the answer is a double decker. Which boat can make 2 trips in less than 1 hour? less than 1 hour, 2 trips, it is actually motor boat. Motor boat, 2 trip, only 40 minutes it will take. 1 trip 20 minutes, so 2 trip it is 40 minutes only it will take. It is less than 1 hour. Next, Ram has 50 rupees. How many trips he can make in double decker? Double decker 40 rupees 1 trip. So he can make only 1 trip. Answer is A. Select the correct answer. 700 milliliter plus dash milliliter will make 1 liter. 1 liter means 1000 milliliter. So we need 700 plus 300. If you add 700 plus 300, it will become 1000 ml, 1000 milliliter, that is 1 liter. So the answer is 300 ml. Short answer. Find the quotient and remainder for this number. 143 divided by 4. Just divide ordinary division only. 143 divided by 4. In 14, how many 4s are there? 3 4s are 12. So subtract, you will be getting 23. In 23, it will go 5 times. 5 4s are 20. So the last remainder, this is remainder, this is quotient. So 35 is the quotient and the remainder is 3. Multiply, ordinary multiplication, you can multiply, you will get 1073. Find out the distance between the given places. Madurai to Tindukal, Trichy, Viluppuram, Chennai. So distance between Madurai to Tindukal. What is the distance between Madurai to Tindukal? Here 55 km, here 65 km. Just you subtract 65 minus 55, 10 km. Distance between Tindukal and Trichy, again Tindukal 65, Trichy 78. You subtract 78 minus 65. You will be getting 13 km. Distance between Tindukal to Viluppuram. So 65 and 96. If you subtract, you will be getting 31 km. Distance between Trichy to Viluppuram. If you subtract Viluppuram to Trichy, 18 km. 18 km. Problem solving. A milkman sold 234 milk packets on Monday and 419 milk packets on next day. Find the total number. Total number means you have to add 234 plus 419. When you add, you will get 653 milk packets. Answer is B. A pen cost 8 rupees. Find the cost of 6 pen. So 6 8s are 48. Multiply. You will get the answer. Find the difference of the place value and face value of 4. So the place value of 4 is 400, ones, tens, 100. 400. The face value is 4. What is the difference means? You have to minus 400 minus 4. The answer is 396. That is the answer. Kavita's water bottle can hold 2 liter of water. She drank 475 milliliter of water and her friend Renu drank 250 ml of water from the same water bottle. How much water is left in her? 2 liter of water means 2000 milliliter. 1 liter 1000 ml. So 2 liter 2000 milliliter. Then who drank this one? Her friend. She drank 475 and Renu drank. Add these two. Then you subtract from 2000. So 2000 minus this 475 plus 250. If you add, you will be getting 5, 2, 1 carry 7. 725, 2000 minus 725. You will be getting 1275 milliliter. Okay, solve the following. The rate of 1000 bricks, 3000 rupees. Ram needs 4000 bricks to build his house. How much money will he have to pay for the bricks? The cost of 1000 bricks, 3000. So 4000 bricks, just you multiply by 4. 3000 multiplied by 4, 12,000. So he has to pay 12,000 for the bricks. One day, Ram reached his building at 8:30 a.m. morning. He left 10:45. How long he was there? So you have to subtract 10:45 minus 8:30. You will be getting 2 hours 15 minutes he was staying in the place.